Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel called Scrabyte, and today we will discuss together, and I will learn you on how to start streaming. And I think it will be part one of this video. Maybe I will make three parts for more understanding the YouTube platform and on how to translate some streams, how to go live, and yeah, how to setting your OBS studio, so Open Broadcast Studio, yeah. And yeah, I think we can start. Let's move on, and yeah, let's put go alive. And here, like in a previous video, I discussed you on how to setting here in directly in YouTube. So I didn't discuss you how edit the video. Yeah. So here we can put I don't know, some title, some description. Yeah. So you make sure that you have some good title. So yeah, so you will be interesting for other people, and in the description you may put some information that people have to learn about you. It's really it's really useful. So yeah, pay attention for this. And then in the end of the description you have to put like some hashtags, so keywords, like for example, I don't know, if I will stream this video, yeah, I will put some how to setting the stream, and oh, I don't know, streaming, YouTube earning, and etc etc etc. Yep. um so yeah, let's delete this. So visibility, I think you will you will stream to public categories, so you don't want to stream like only for you or only for people who has a link. Restrictions is if you did something bad, yeah, you will get some restriction. Category, it's about what you will stream, yeah, like comedy or education, like I'm doing, or I don't know, some gaming. Thumbnail is it's really important, guys. Yeah, it's like a preview of your stream. It's like short part of information what you will do on your stream, on your channel. So yeah, pay attention for, make sure that this thumbnail will be like interesting and informative for some people who will watch your video, yeah, your stream. Playlist is nothing special, yeah. So audience, yeah, it's also important. Is if it's made for kids, this content won't recommend for people who is adult, yeah. And if it's not made for kids, yeah, is this video will recommend for people who is over. So yeah. um so text, you can like put text here, as it also important put text here, and also put text here, yeah. It's really important. So language also, you need to select stream language for advise people who will watch your stream. So yeah, I think for today is enough. Thank you for watching. You were on channel called Scrabyte, and see you soon. See you soon. See you soon.